Today's April 16th, and just a quick intro for today. Um, I'm going to make attempts to assemble the front end today. So, fenders, the hood, front radiator support, and other items. So, I've got the radiator support here. First thing I'll do is pop that sucker on. And then, if I have time, I will do the seam sealing um, in here. And I think that's one of the last things I need to do for seam sealing, but I'll look around. I mean, I'm too sure if these areas here need it. They may need it, so I'll take a look at those and other nooks and crannies. So it looks like, yeah, I'll probably end up needing it here in other places. So I'll look around, poke around, um, and finish that up. I don't know, kind of a cloudy, rainy day today, so hopefully it dries out and makes it more comfortable for me working. And that's it. So we'll see what happens.